AI can give any student an answer, but an answer isn't the same as understanding. Introducing HoloTutor, the visual AI tutor that brings teaching to life. Instead of another text box, learners meet a conversational instructor who explains, points, questions, and teaches directly to a visual whiteboard.
Warm-up time. Which of these four is a linear polynomial?
Watch a math concept unfold step by step. See a science process come alive. Explore history and literature through visuals built to make ideas easier to follow and harder to forget. HoloTutor delivers educator-designed lessons through a responsive AI tutor, creating a learning experience that feels personal, interactive, and able to adapt to each student in the moment. HoloTutor doesn't simply hand over the answer. It pauses, asks the learner to think, and guides them forward through conversation. For educators, it starts with the materials they already trust. Upload a slide deck, lesson plan, or textbook chapter, and HoloTutor turns it into a complete visual lesson with one click. Every lesson can be reviewed, refined, and saved to the institution's private library, so curriculum stays aligned, content stays controlled, and intellectual property stays where it belongs. Educators can then see how learners engage, what they complete, where they struggle, and where support is needed next. In a real Atlanta classroom pilot, students said HoloTutor helped them think through problems instead of simply copying answers. From school districts and universities to workforce training and learning at home, HoloTutor gives every learner something more powerful than information: access to a teacher. HoloTutor, the visual AI tutor for every learner. Try it out for free at holotutor.ai.